Hi, hello everybody. Mr. Sergio here. How are you doing? I am safe at home. Are you? I hope so. Let's start our arts class today. We are going to make a toy, a juggling toy. This is an example of what we are going to make. For that, we're gonna need few materials you can find at your home. A toilet paper roll, a ribbon, any type of line ribbon you have in your place, plastic bag, supermarket ones or any type, a scissor, and you're going to have to ask an adult to help you, okay? Let's start. To start, I already cut a few strips from the plastic bag here, and I'm gonna cut two more to finish up. Okay, now we are gonna put them all together. Do few strips. I have done 6, 7, 8, not so many, okay? Between 4 to 8. I've done 8 here. And then tie a knot. Okay. Woo. See? Leave it aside and then let's cut the paper roll. I strip 2. Then open, and you have this. You can choose the side you want to put in your bowl. Now, get the ribbon, hold in your fingers, and measure until your armpit. Okay? Armpit. And cut. Then you're gonna tie them both together. The plastic strips and the ribbon. Tie under the knot so it doesn't fall off. 2 knots. Then get the tape, any type of tape, plastic, electric tape, duct tape, masking tape, Scotch tape, any type of tape. Cut a piece and leave it aside. Then grab your strip of toilet paper roll. And then you're gonna roll on the top of the knot. roll, roll again, and roll again, and roll again, and roll until you get to the end. Then ask the adult to help you to tape it, or you can do it yourself. Then you tape it then together. Oh, nice! Then just make a little lace on the top of the ribbon so you can put your fingers in it. Okay, there you go. There is your boy. You can make with different colors, use different plastic bags, and then you can make them more colorful. Be free to make the way you want to. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how you can do the boy. The boy, you can go on circles. Circles to the outside, circles to the inside, and then you can put them together, both to the outside or both to the inside. Okay, have fun with your toy. Bye bye.